Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show how to use average, max, and min in Excel. I will use the AutoSum here. AutoSum menu here which help us insert formula easily. As you see here, I have some example with student names and their score. Now I will calculate the sum, average, max, and min. So we in this Excel file. So its sum is usually we click here cell C9 and come to AutoSum button, click sum, and as you see is correct data that we want from cell C to cell C4 and then we click enter. We get the answer and then next same the average, come to AutoSum button, click average. But we have to check here the cell come to until cell C9 is not correct because the information we need until cell C8. When we click enter, we get average. And then the highest score or max, same. We come to AutoSum button, it's max, and again we change here to correct data until cell C8. It's max. And then the last one is min, same, but changing like hit enter. We will get the answer. As you can see in the Excel, is correct. Max is 90 and min is 50. This is the easy way this formula is help us analyze data quickly to do your job, to do your Excel. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.